Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be over the Bay Harbor in-water boat show right here in beautiful Petoskey, Michigan. I love this show. It's by far one of my favorite shows of the whole year. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new stuff to report to you guys on, and I ran across something that everybody's going to want to learn about. I'm here with David. He's with YotStik Carbon. Fantastic product. David, how are you, sir?
Very well, thanks.
Good, good. Tell us a little bit about this product, because it looks absolutely fantastic.
Well, I hope that it is absolutely fantastic. Anyway, what we did is developed carbon fiber telescoping wash poles for the boats, originally for the boat that I work on, which is a 100-foot Hatteras.
Okay.
I grew tired of the aluminum, the heavy aluminum, which mars the boat. It sinks when you drop it in, and you're working around water, so clearly you're dropping it in.
Yeah.
Everybody does it. You've all done it.
Oh,
you
yeah.
You have, and down it goes. So either you have to jump in to retrieve it, or you have to go to the store to get a new one.
Right.
Either way, it's a waste of time. It's a waste of money. This won't sink, and we can do a little test over there later if you'd like to. Just to see it floating out there.
Sure.
So anyway, so we've invented just taking carbon fiber tubing and CNC drilled it so that we have a telescoping ability. And one of the things that you can see here is that we clearly mark each detent. If you've worked with telescoping poles at all, you understand that the hardest part is finding where that is supposed to hit.
Right.
And we make it as obvious as possible. And this is, all of these water slides are underneath the clear coat. So they're not just going to scratch off or come off on your shirt the way some companies do. One of the patent pending bits that we have on this, Eric, is that the handle is removable. So that you can stack another. So if you own two standards, standards go out to just over 6 feet. You have two standards, you can marry them together and be over 12 feet.
So I see the brush head that you would use to apply the soap and so forth to get the boat clean. What other type of products do you put on the end of this pole in order to help my cleaning my boat?
Well, first, I want to say that we are compatible with all the existing equipment out there.
Oh, good.
So we're compatible with the Surehold and the Swap, with the things that people are already using, the ubiquitous systems.
Yeah.
We're not trying to recreate those.
Right.
We just want a better pole. We then try to augment the things that we make. We don't like aluminum sticking out because aluminum becomes a weapon. It's free from the pole. If this is a piece of aluminum, it starts scratching things. So we remove that and put carbon fiber in it, which is nice. We also manufacture deck squeegees.
Oh, nice.
You're going to see instantly that this is mostly for the larger boats. It's
to
pull water off your teak deck.
Yeah.
We have smaller versions of that are very handy for large non-skid decks.
Okay.
But feel the weight of that. There's nothing. There's 11 ounces.
Oh my goodness.
2.5 pounds.
You're kidding me.
I'm not kidding.
Well, and there are also some other attachments on this that are pretty innovative as well.
We work closely with TD Mop. TD Mop manufactures our mop for us. We love them. Bar none, the best in the industry for picking up water. We just send our carbon fiber blanks. Again, everything we want no metal touching the boat.
Right.
If we can prevent the metal from touching the boat, we're in great shape.
Yep.
Plus, honestly, it looks cool.
Yeah.
We did develop, because some of the captains were worried about these bristled brushes, it's called a deck brush. It's called a deck brush for a reason. It's meant to be on the deck.
Right.
Bristle brushes should never touch your paint, gel coat, or especially your easy to see Y enclosure.
Right.
So we came up with the wash mitt on a stick, essentially. We call it the Brushless Brush. So it's 360 degrees. It's cylindrical in design.
Yep.
The great thing here, again, weight. It doesn't. Now you don't have that big, heavy piece of wood.
This is just absolutely amazing. These things are so light, guys. Okay. So
the way to show them how light it is, because they're saying sure it is, but look, you can hand it out straight and work with it. So here, now you're washing the boat. If you have a brush like that, you couldn't possibly wash here.
Right.
I can do this so it works on the rails. You just start spinning it around the rails.
Nice.
And when it hits things, it doesn't damage them.
Right.
So knocking and banging. It's a single pivot with tension control. So if you want to do the hull from the deck, slide it into this position.
Oh,
it's
nice.
Not that swivel that just swivels and we call it, weebles and wobbles, but it never does exactly what you want.
Right.
It just locks in and you can wash the hull very, very easily. It's quite nice.
So they come in 3 different sizes, is that correct?
They do, yes.
Okay.
We started with the Yot-Stik, which is very interesting. We just came up with this about 6 months ago. It was an answer to the towable tenders. Most of our clients are the super yachts,
Yeah.
the big ones, because they have no budget.
Right.
Obviously, carbon fiber is not cheap.
Right.
So we came up with this for the towable tender so that it fit in the spaces allotted. This
Okay.
is a tapered shaft. It's closed down, so it's easy to store. When you need to work with it, you just give it a little shove, locks in at 4 feet,
Oh, nice. Okay.
and it locks in with no play.
Yep.
And you can snap all the tools into it,
Okay.
and it's all you would need for the tenders,
Yeah.
the smaller boats.
Okay. Love what you're doing with this, David. Tell me, if I can't make it over to the Bay Harbor Boat Show, where can I go online
Oh yeah,
to find out more information about the product so that if I want to buy it, I can do that?
YotStik.com, and you can spell that out either Yot-Stik or, as you see it here, YotStik.
So either spelling will
Either
work.
spelling gets you there.
Okay. Anything else you want to add?
You know, I will say that for Father's Day, if you stop in today, we have a really unique product that was handcrafted to match our limited edition stick. We have a Gem Lux wheel that is hand wrapped paracord to match our limited edition stick. That would make a very handy set for, I don't know, a bay boat, a yellowfin bay boat.
Yeah, that is pretty nice, my man.
So some father's going to get that, I'm sure.
I'll sign up to win it. David,
Pleasure
thank you
chatting
so
with
much.
Thanks so much.
Guys, make sure you go by YotStik.com, YotStik, YotStik.com. Find out more information about a fantastic new product hitting the market right now. Talk to my man David. He'll hook you up. Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you out on the water.